Hello, I am here to do hypothesis testing. I had a request to get this video done, and I've got about 2 minutes to do it, so I'm going to try to be fast. We'll see. Maybe I'll make a longer one later. I have this set up. My hypothesis testing always starts with some context, your null hypothesis, your alternative hypothesis. We run some tests, we get some results, and then we interpret them. And so my context is still the Iowa soil data. I went to something that I haven't looked at yet because I've kind of delved this a bit. And so I switched to the moisture level column. So this gives you the moisture level at, it's called 4 inches, but it's actually 7 centimeters. There's a difference there, but that's what it's called. So the average 4-inch soil moisture level in Iowa is 35%. And notice over here, I wrote it as 0.35. Water per volume. And if I'm wrong, then the average is not 35% water per volume. So I state the null, I state the alternative, and then I run a test. And so, as with everything, when I run my test, I'm going to save it into results because the results will save all of the things instead of just the one thing I'm after. And so I'm going to run my test, and my column is the Iowa soil data. And then I'm picking the ERA5 land, soil, moisture, 4-inch average column. So if you have a different data set, then you would pick a different data set, $, whatever column you have. And then the average is 0.35, which is from my null hypothesis. And I run that. And it looks like nothing happens, but I've got my results over here in the corner. And when I run my p-value, I get the 6.38 times 10 to the negative 13. And when I convert that to an S value, I get 40.5. And so the odds of the null hypothesis being right are the same odds as flipping 41, because I rounded up 40.5 to 41 coins and getting all heads. My interpretation to that is no. Like if I dropped 41 coins and they were all heads, it's called shenanigans. And so then I go to the alternative. So therefore, the average 4-inch soil moisture level in Iowa is not 35% water per volume. So that's my quick overview. If I want to do something different, like I switch my context to my air quality index, because that's my other data I have, then I have to change my new hypotheses. Air quality index. And so my average air quality index, 45. And so the average air quality index in Iowa is 45, period. And if I'm wrong, then it's not 45. And so then the average air quality index in Iowa is not 45. And this is the same, that's the same. This is the one that's going to change. And so I deleted everything but kept the comma. Daily AQI by county, $, and then the column I'm picking is AQI. And my null hypothesis said 45, just to match them up there. And I run it. I get my p-value is 0. Ooh, I'm way off. And the number of coins is infinitely many, right? That's what inf stands for. But I can't actually say infinitely many. I can say a whole lot of coins. I'm getting all heads. My interpretation is no way. Stronger no than before. And so then the average air quality index in Iowa is not 45. And that's all there is to it. I can go run another test, but this is the single variable hypothesis test from start to finish. All right, awesome. Thank you.